Now I will show you our high-voltage DC power supply for the load of electrospinning. How to wire. First of all, we provide the high-voltage power supply of the high-voltage wire. In the delivery is already connected. And then after receiving the power supply, first of all, the first step is to connect the power cord. The 220-volt power cord is plugged into the socket strip after it is connected. And then we prepare to ground wires for you. That is to say, a power supply. We can match to ground wires. These two ground wires are actually for the ground. If you offer the land, there are cold ferrules on both sides. Put this cold ferrules and fix it. After fixing, one of these two ground wires is with a crocodile clip, and the other is with a plug. What is this plug to prevent? To prevent us from not having this place in this experimental site. And then connect this plug to our plug bar. But at this time, you must confirm that the plug bar you use on the spot must have a ground. So plug it in. And then from this principle, the ground of our load and the ground of the power supply can be co-ground. So this ground wire is plugged into its negative end. That is to say, the simulated electrospinning, normally this side should be a collection roller. And then the high voltage and high pressure should be connected to this, clamped on this needle, which is equivalent to bringing high voltage to this needle. And the whole set of wiring is in such a state. Then at this time we can turn on. After starting, press down the high voltage to turn on. And then the current loop is released. This time to adjust the voltage. But to adjust the voltage, now we do not have the propulsion pump. There is no spinning solution. Normally there should be a propulsion pump. And then the needle tube is with spinning solution. Through the propulsion pump pressure to push out the solution. This time to push out the solution. It is a filament is very dense. And then it with high pressure will be sprayed to the negative end. In this way, when it is at the negative end, it will form a very dense, like a spider's web, which is probably like this.